picture. Is it cold? It's warm here. How old are you? My sister wants to talk too. No.
Nay, do you want to say something?
Say hi.
Nay, do you want to say something, Nay? Okay, say goodbye to your friend Biren and Clea.
Bye, Birimar.
Say bye, Nay.
Bye.